I love the chair for a lot of different support options. One of my favorite exercises is using the chair for a squat. So why don't you join me, sitting forward in the chair, your chest up nice and tall. Begin with your hands on your hips, your feet right underneath your knees. Just lean forward halfway, put weight in your feet, that's all I need you to do, and then come back up nice and tall. The next thing we're going to do is bring our arms out in front. I want you to push weight in your feet like you're going to stand up, but we don't. We're calling that a pressure squat. I push weight through my feet, I squeeze my glutes, and then I release back to a nice tall position. One more time. Push weight into your feet, squeeze your glutes, and back to a tall position. Now, if you're ready, we're going to stand up. Here we go. I hinge forward, I push weight into my feet, and up we go. Then walk back so that you can feel the chair on the backs of your legs. Push your hips back, lower down, make sure the chair is there, have a seat, and then hip walk forward in the chair, and we'll do that again. Hip hinge, put weight in your feet, come on up. Walk back, feel the chair on the backs of your legs, push your hips back, make sure it's there, have a seat, and hip walk forward. So here's why this exercise is so great. The push to stand up is so functional, but I love walking back, feeling the chair on the backs of my legs as I sit back, because lots of times with a squat, people will tell me, Andi, this hurts my knees. And usually it's because we don't have good posture or form with our squats. Our knees are coming forward. The chair guides us to help us to know to push our hips back and keep our knees over our feet. One more time. Here's the last thing I like. This hip walk forward is great for hip mobility. So this makes it a great total body exercise, but definitely effective for strengthening your glutes, your legs, all the way down to your feet.